At some point in adulthood, your back stops being a body part and becomes a sound machine, and nobody warns you about that. One day you bend over and your spine makes a noise you've only heard in low budget horror movies. Hey, tap, like, and follow. The worst part, you don't even react anymore. You just stand there waiting to see if the noise came from you or the furniture. And then you do that slow, careful, please don't let anything pop, stand up like you're defusing a bomb in an action movie. You try stretching, but now stretching makes more noises than not stretching. When you drop something on the floor, you seriously consider leaving it there forever. Somewhere along the line, we all became the people who make sound effects just walking across the room. Hey, tap, like, share, and follow. It helps the channel grow.